In this video, we're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. But you actually can't multiply mixed numbers. So what we have to do first for every single one of these situations is turn them into improper fractions. So we're going to take 3 1/3 and 2 1/2 and turn those into improper fractions. So we'll take our whole number, multiply it by our denominator, and then add it to our numerator. So we're going to do 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. Denominator stays the same. So we're going to do the same thing to 2 1/2. Take the whole number times the denominator and add it to the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, 5 halves. Now we just have top times top, bottom times bottom. But we want to see if we can simplify first. We do that by switching the numerators. So I'm going to switch my numerators here. I have 5 over 3, and now 10 over 2. So 5/3 times 10 halves. 10 halves, 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Every whole number secretly over 1. Now I can finally do my top times top, bottom times bottom. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 1 is 3. Now even though we wanted to have improper fractions here, we do not want an improper fraction at the end, so now we have to divide. 25 divided by 3. So 3 fits into 25. 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, we get 1. 8 1/3 is our final answer. Moving on over here, just another example. We have 2 2/3 times 3 4/5, but we can't multiply mixed numbers. We have to turn them into improper fractions. Whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, so we have 8/3. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19. Fifths, that denominator stays the same. Okay, now we want to see if we can simplify. We do that by switching the numerators. So now we have 19/3 and 8/5. Neither of these fractions are able to be simplified, so we're just going to do top times top, bottom times bottom. 19 times 8, it's okay if you have to write it off to the side. I don't have my 19s memorized. 8 times 9, 72. Write the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7, 15. So here we have 152. Nice and easy. 3 times 5 is 15. Cannot leave it improper. We've got to turn that back into a mixed number. And remember, fractions are like division equations. 152 divided by 15. 152 divided by 15. 15 fits into 15 one time, nice and easy. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract and I get 0. Bring down the 2. 15 does not fit into 2, so we put a 0. And we're left with 10 2/15. And that is our answer.